Alright, so it's Wednesday, my dudes. Normally I'm out of here before the sun comes up, but today's pretty much just dedicated to preparing for tomorrow because it's going to be a long drive. Originally, I was going to go to North Cascades. Still going to be going in that sort of direction, but instead of North Cascades, I'll be making my way towards the lake that I saw on the flight in, which I found on Google Maps. It looks to be called Blanca Lake. And there's a glacier right behind it. There they are, together on the parcel shelf there. The plan for today is to go to Forks and get supplies for tomorrow. Going into this sporting shop because I can sporting, right? Look at this cat that got outside. You know, they go hardcore for their Halloween decorations here. Throwing knives. Oh no, that's some serious business. I think these are for reloading. Like you can make your own bullets, basically. Yeah, look, you got little pots of gunpowder. It's the hunting section. I wonder if they've got like actual bear spray, because I would legit buy some, man. I've got a throwing axe, you see, and all this stuff. This shop is amazing. Ace Hardware and Forks Outfitters. They're like two combined. It's like Walmart yesterday. I was just going around like, whoa, look at that. And then you've got right next to it groceries. And I found, hang on, I'll show you when I get back. I had lunch in a Native American run restaurant called Where's the Fry Bread, which serves these traditional fried tacos with various toppings, before heading back to the lodge to review my purchases. A couple of real nice, there's sort of like a rubbery sort of feel, waterproof stuff, which I think is going to work really well. You know, if I do need to wear it. I've got this heavy duty spray that I'm just going to drown my rucksack in. A couple of Mountain Dew, the red one is the best flavour. So I got this bear spray here. Cost about $25. It says it sprays about 35 feet, so you got a good bit of range on there. And also this little knife as well that they sell as like a self-defense knife. They sold it in the same sort of place as, they had like a little rack here with these on, but they also had tasers and little mini pepper sprays that you keep in your car, both of which are extraordinarily illegal in the UK, but here I guess it seems it's okay just to carry them. Fingers crossed I don't actually need to use those because I mainly have them for peace of mind. This is probably my best bet. The knife isn't going to do anything. I'm also taking one of the sticks that we had on the wall there. The next morning I was up and out very early to make the long drive east to the Blanca Lake trailhead. I arrived on time, but after seeing little cards hanging from the mirror and the other few cars in the car park, I think I might need a pass for this. I found that to park in this region you need some sort of forest pass, which wouldn't be a problem if the nearest place selling them wasn't an hour-and-a-half round trip away. So I've come to the frankly gorgeous town of Skycoomish. It's actually beautiful. Whoops, the post office was closed. So let's see if we can find somewhere else. Somewhere in this town's going to be open. I'm going to just nip in this, let's lock that real quick. Thanks, Hazel. Hey, how's it going? Do you sell the Discovery Pass here, by any chance? Alright, we're going to play a lovely little game called Let's Pretend the last hour and 20 minutes didn't happen. I've got my Discovery Pass that I pre-booked. Let's get going. I drove back to the trailhead, this time fully legit, where I then began the 8-mile there and back hike. Just thinking about this walking stick here, seen some wear. I wonder how many trips this thing's been on. I've got my spray down here, ready to go, which honestly, I thought it was going to be a lot more remote than it is. And I mean, this is just ridiculous. What am I going to do with that? Stand back, bear, watch yourself, I'll do ya. This is a lovely, albeit strenuous hike. The intense sunlight cutting through the pine trees made the forest colours glow. The first 50 to 60% is dedicated pretty much entirely to ascending through the woods via relentless switchbacks until you reach a meadow and the path flattens for a moment. Oi, I can see the glacier through there. Around this area, I did say that it was at a higher maximum altitude than the lake itself. I can feel a cold breeze blowing across and it's just the wind, but I like to think that it's the chill off of the glacier. Look what I just found in the mud. It's either an enormous dog or gotta be a bear, right? I was just noticing actually, I was just thinking, I have not seen a single piece of litter on this trail. There has not been like a single wrapper or bottle or anything, which is nice. It's good to see that people do care about the woods. I do like this section of the hike though. This is the prettiest bit so far. I do like walking along and being able to see all these mountains out the side. Oh! Deary me, there you go, that was almost the end of me, that one there, that one. That's who done it, officer. I just glimpsed the glacier and the lake, and the colour of the water is bizarre. I haven't really had a good look. Ooh, it's almost like green. The colour is extraordinary. Oh, there we go. That's the money shot right there. Every time I turn the corner and see the lake again, I'm just taken away by that colour. It's like, I don't know, like turquoise. Here we are at the shore. The glacier looks small. I guess it is at the end of summer, isn't it? So it'll probably be higher in spring. It definitely feels like a hidden treasure. I mean, I saw this from the plane when I come in. This water is pure. You are not going to get much better than that. Let's give that a go. I mean, it's water. It does taste like very soft water. I don't know what I was really expecting, but I mean, it's water. That's amazing. Even the water there is almost like hazy. It's like misty. So that was Blanca Lake. It certainly feels special. just that incredible turquoise hue it's got to it. And when you look at it and you can see it with a bit of depth, you can see it's kind of cloudy, which I'm guessing is minerals, which I'm hoping is minerals. I'm sure we'll find out on the drive home if there's any harmful bacteria in that water. Drunk about half of one of these already, and I've got another one there ready to go. Wow, look at the condensation on it, it's cold. Chilled by the ice of the earth. I retraced my steps and enjoyed an uneventful hike back down and drive home. Hey, have a look at this, it's like the threshold of civilization. I've done it again. That's happened more than a few times. By the time I pulled up at Claylock Lodge, it had gone 11. So door to door, that was 19 hours today. Fantastic.